Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will talk about PyLab module in MatplotLib. Okay, so is a uh, PyLab is a interface of MatplotLib or MatplotLib object-oriented plotting library. So MatplotLib is the whole package, and MatplotLib.pyplot is a module in MatplotLib. Okay, and PyLab is a module that gets installed alongside MatplotLib. So let's draw a plot using PyLab. So for working with PyLab, you need to import a library from PyLab import all. Okay, and same as this from numpy import all. Now now I execute this shell, and I want to draw a curve plot or anything like plot. That's why I need to. Now I want to define the x-axis. So x equal linspace. So I can take -4, 4, 30, and I need to define the y-axis. So y equal x into 2, okay, another 2, and now I draw the plot. So that's why plot x comma y, and I will show this plot. So I will write the show function and need to execute this command, and that's the plot what I actually defined by the PyLab library. Okay, so that's how you can draw a curve using PyLab library. So thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.